Okay guys, welcome back to the Classic Shaver. I've been pending of doing a quick tip video for you guys. I promised you to make some quick tips on a blade management system. But I just wanted to show you what I did. I did a DIY of a razor and brush stand with regular pipes. These are I think are 1/4 inch pipes, and you can see all the components. And this one is a longer one, so I can fit a brush, a big brush here easily, and the razor I have right now, my Black Beauty, sitting there. And for the blades, what I use is a little magnet that I bought from China, and I simply put the blade either used or new, like this one. And once I use the blade, I just put a little dot with a Sharpie pen. I'm not going to put that dot right now on this one because this is new. This is for tomorrow's shave. So I'll put one dot if it's used one. I mean 2 dots if it has been used twice, or 3 dots depending on how many times I use the blade. Right now my Astras, I use the Astras only 3 times. Using it the 4th time, it starts to pull your hair, and then it's not good. I also found that my Wilkinson swords, you can stretch it out for 4 times, but no more than that. So I also put a piece of clothing hanger wire there, and I'm using copper endings so it won't rust. It won't put any rust on the razor. So for the brush, what I do is I simply put the brush like this and then twist it so it'll fit there, and it can dry face down. Also, I have some brushes that I put a magnet inside the handle, like this Restored Ever Ready, and I can also simply put them like this, and it'll stay in place because everything is magnetic, is magnetic steel. So there you go. That's how I handle my stand and my shave den. I also did a couple smaller stands. You can find these pieces easily on Home Depot. It's just a reduction, and then the copper ending. This is going to be the next razor I'm going to use, the 1930s open comb Gillette Bolan, and I have the black tip over here in another stand. So what I do when I travel, I do this. I have another magnet in my travel stand. I travel with one of these, and then I simply put the magnet there. And once I finish using my blade, just let the blade dry there before putting it back in its wrapper to travel back home. That's what I do. So there you go, guys. That's another quick tip and trick. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.